Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice sign-off. Is all for USA, Republica government, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created, tax mandate, COVID-19, federal tax mandate for creating, enforcing and mandating and then to create poverty for fellow mankind, and is $1 trillion error. And it is a deadliest crime. So, when Republican government never knows that they cannot create, enforce poverty for mankind, why on the earth there is a Republican government in United States of America? See, I own USA and I only going to discipline USA my way, right? So tell me, when when the Republican government of United States of America, for how long that government has been there? Since 18th century, right? Because that's when the combined one government of Democrat and Republican Party was separated by that evil Satan Queen Elizabeth in the 18th century, and that too only in the Ripon Green Bay in state of Wisconsin only. And we all know there is a proof that there are 7 states, those are all created for only poverty mandate process, right? So, who gave authority for Republican government to destroy USA at the first place? So they never know what is nation. They never know what the Republican government never knows what is nation. They never know what is government. They never know what is holiest government process. They never know what is holiest justice law, right? So beyond destroying the humanity part, they destroyed the nations, my fellow mankind. Do you all thinking that must to like forgive this Republican administration of USA who destroyed USA in pieces beyond repair, which will take next 50,000 years at least for a man hours of labor to rewrite and fix it? That means how many generations lost? How many people have to wait for 100 more years? At least they could have, see, when Republican government is so evil, so cunning, means they should have at least given what? Okay, civilians, we will create only help for you all. Okay, we also provide nice, customized, tailored brains and hearts, which you can also buy with a tax, federal tax and state tax on the grocery store, so that whenever we create hell, and if you are having a hell lot of emotional torture, you can just open your skull by yourself and replace it. They never provide that solution at least. So they are cunning and cunning, meaning the crime is increasing only because of the crime they provided. Why? They are the ones who are telling to the whole entire United States of America that they are the holiest people, right? They are very conservative. They love only tradition values, right? But then, when they are conservative, they are traditional values, they say, hallelujah, hallelujah, God, right? Praise the God. And how many sermons? I told Billy Graham he's a fake. He's a fake prophecy, right? That's what he misguided the entire population. Tell me, he died only 99 years old or something like that, close to 100, right? So out of his 100 years of lifetime, he would have educated the USA government in the rightful way, right? But he did not. Can you all see how the scandal has been exponentially increased? And if you're going to see in the state of Texas, 100% of I would say 99.9% of the population are only Christians there. Right? So they are the ones who are creating all the havoc, all the disaster. Where are they going to keep their faces? You tell me. They make a hell lot of money, business. Even providing sermon, even providing wisdom education for a true Christian itself, they made it as a business. They get a free TV channel. They get a hell lot of money out of it for fooling the people alone. All they have to do is just talk sweet talks. What are they going to do for the tax fraud scandal they provided? Oh yes, President Trump cannot escape the Judgment Day process. He cannot even run and hide, right? He can have real estate business in India or whatever. but he cannot run and hide from me. In fact, he owes me $4,500 to be exact. Not only him, each and every single government agency of United States of America, they owe me that much amount of money, which I will get it. I sure will get it. He cannot run and hide. And I will explain that in a separate testimony. I do not have time for that now. Right? So this testimony is about what? Republican government, they never knew that federal tax mandate is what? Created only for poverty mandate. That is wrong. When the government organization never knows that there is some satanic forces created to create a poverty means, then that government is not fit to be a government. So that means, as of now, who else must run out of that Republican government for now, at this moment? All the Republican Senates, all the Republican GOP leader, right? Mitch McConnell, right? All must run out of the government, the Republican government, and say, oh no, sorry, we will not be in Republican government anymore. At least on the waiving bailout process, they can get transition to be Democrat population. And there's a reason behind it. I'll explain everything later. So when a government never knows that a tax mandate process is created only for poverty, then that government is unfit to be a government. So that means who elected President Trump in the year 2016? Is it you, me? No. Who elected him? When there were all the other candidates, he just came up all of a sudden out of the blue, right? President Trump came out of the blue. He was an entertainment media mogul and real estate mogul, business mogul. That is all. So who created the disaster? It is a Republican GOP leader, Mitch McConnell, right? So he will resign. Everybody in the Republican, all the governments, everybody, there's going to be a huge shake-up. They call it what? Reorg in the software world. There's going to be a huge shake-up. I just dismantled the USA government piece by piece. Right? Who are them to create poverty for the population? Who gave that authority? Right? So, yes. So USA Republican government, the faces of Satan, Antichrist, Lucifer, of absolute monarch, hell creator, is a lawmaker and enforced federal tax to mandate poverty, and it is $1 trillion crime. See, when Republican government never knows that creating poverty for mankind is a crime, there needs to be somebody to discipline, right? Nobody bothered to discipline. At least I am there standing up and slapping on the Republican government. Count by count and disciplining means then at least US is marching towards a healthy process, right? Don't you all think so? I will have to provide civil justice sign-off Republican government for year 2016-2020, that is President Trump administration. Okay, so in my videos you will be seeing the clippings of the images of President Trump and President Joe Biden and all their admin population, because it's all for civil justice. Nobody's left out. That means a national leader alone will not get the justice. Everybody who are working in their administration will get the justice. Okay. So how this finance compensation goes for the brain damages done to the population. So there will be part A, part B. I do not want any health insurance or the Medicaid, Medicare to get confused, because they only have that fancy way of telling to fool people. Oh, Medicare plan A, oh, Medicare plan B, oh, Medicare plan C, like that. I also know how to slap on them, right? Doctors cannot fool the population anymore, right? So they are just puking. They must be puking only fuss after fuss. And Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brink should get out of the Department of Health Services immediately. Why on the earth they are even in the Department of Health Services even now, right? If they are not going to get out, I am absolutely positive the government themselves will enforce them to get out. Because they misguided a healthy, holiest government operation, and for entire 2020, in year 2020, it was enforced to be mandated to be destroyed. Are they humans? Are they, why on the earth there are no humans yet in the United States of America, in the government? Why are they so brutal? Why are they so mean? Right? What if the same, whatever they did, they got all the curses from the innocent population worldwide? Do you all know? People should never get curses from the poverty when they are undergoing through too much of emotional torture because of the financial strain, and they provided that. Dr. Fauci and Dr. Binge, are they humans? Are they humans? Okay, when the people are telling only white skin population, only very, very holy, where they are very perfect, right? Very perfect Republica, holy highness, like that. Then if they are conservative, if they are holy, if they are Republica, then what should they have done? They should have provided healthy guidance, but they did not. Are they humans? I will just revoke their doctor's degree and I'll just ask them to get out. Right? I'm super mad at whatever they did to the people. They should have stand in front of me face to face and answered when I filed lawsuit against the Department of Health Services against USA in the year 2019. But they never did that, and rather they destroyed the whole entire year. And they made a hell lot of money just with the mask alone. Meaning, even without any medical services, even without any population going to the hospital, they made $1 trillion money just with the mask alone. One mask costs at least $3 to $5 to $15 to $20. Imagine how many masks worldwide. And top of it, there's state tax and federal tax. This is just insane what they did, right? And there needs to be discipline. There should be somebody who is toughest, right? So I am the toughest. I just slapped on Dr. Brinch and slapped on Dr. Fauci, and I am asking them to just get out. Misguiding a national operation is the deadliest crime, and they did only that crime. And that too very proudly they were providing the show-offs in all the medias, television news like that. Are they humans after all? Even in that scandal part, President Trump was only displaying his innocence. If we are all in the same page, even in the scandal processing, Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinch, President Trump, beyond at fault mode, beyond found guilty mode, he was only displaying his innocence. If you are watching, we are all in the same page, right? And he was suppressed. He was asked not to reveal whatever the truth he knows. So, as of January 31st, 2021, I, Vedapriya, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off process and for tax fraud provided by Abdullah Monarch's Republican government, Democratic government of USA. So right now I am providing a civil justice for at fault found guilty in all kinds of crime for Republican government for the year 2016 to 2020. And it is a President Trump administration, all handcuffed mode, all have to go to the jail. I can bail them out later. Because the crime is so deadly, they cannot give any excuse. Sorry, like that. I'll only ask, Republica means holy highness, perfect human gods, and white skin are very clean, very holy, very perfect, traditional values. And why on the earth provided this tax mandate and never knew that tax should never be provided to the population? Why? And the Holy Bible, civil law guidelines. So nations just should never collect tax from civilians. It is the deadliest crime. USA nation provided that crime only, right? So there's a proof that United States of America is a Babylon nation. And I will not read those tax mandate for every single item, because it's already there in my video clippings and with the screenshots, and which I've already provided in an earlier session when I was signing civil justice for Pope Francis created federal tax and state tax, and Queen of England created federal tax and state tax. Okay, that way I could cut down the sign of the session itself a little more to the best of my ability. Okay. So your blood must be boiling, right? How exponential this scandal is in the layer in layer. And all provided only by educated population. who went to accredited medical school or accredited law school? Wait, watch and see. President Trump will only resign and he'll go back to his hometown, Delaware. So, as of January 29th, 2021, when USA Republica government, the Antichrist, created COVID-19 arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any federal tax mandate, $1 trillion poverty mandate law. And it is $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of today, when USA Republican government Antichrist, the Antichrist created COVID-19 forced arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in the United States of America and all nations worldwide, because it is created only to create poverty, and that is a crime. As of today, when USA Republica government, the Antichrist created COVID-19 child marriage is healthiest, there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. So as of today, when USA Republica government, the Antichrist created COVID-19 LGBTQ marriage is healthiest. When Republica government says they are traditional values and conservative, they only enforced LGBTQ marriage. So how contradicted are they on the talking versus their actions and everything. There must never be federal tax mandate $1 trillion error. It's the United States and all nations. Then as of today, when USA Republica government, the Antichrist created COVID-19 domestic partners living together out of wedlock, getting pregnant out of wedlock. Now you all tell me, Republicans means what? Traditional value, holy, holy, holy. All white-skinned people are very perfect, right? Then they should not never even allow this domestic partners certification to be in the welfare system in all 50 states of USA. Don't you think so? Right? So they are going to pay the price. See, before creating havoc or a disaster, a government should think twice, thrice, not even a dream should never even think to hurt fellow mankind. But they did it, and they have to pay the price. Right? They have to be disciplined. They cannot run and hide. Be it Vice President Pence or President Trump or any of the Republican admin people, they cannot run and hide. Mitt Romney, right? He's a Senate, Republican Senate. Nobody can run and hide. I will ask when he's a Mormon too, and we all know what is a Mormon, right? Mormon is a separate Christianity denomination, right? So everything is a cult, and Mormon is also another cult. That's all it is, right? It's a paganism. So as of today, when the US Republican government mandated and created polygamy marriage is healthiest, there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. Then as of today, when USA Republica government, the Antichrist created COVID-19 love marriage is healthiest, there must never be any federal tax mandate to enforce poverty for mankind, right? So out of all the marriage types, who are the most pathetic population? Love marriage. Because they themselves, out of their innocence, they displayed that they never loved truly and never got married in true love, mandating holy marriage law. They polluted the holy marriage law, and in the name of love only they got married. They proved it, right? Otherwise, at least one human from the love marriage population would have educated the USA government in the rightful way. So there again, Billy Graham proved he's not a Christian, right? Though he was acting, he was just providing fake services only, and he died. Whatever. So basic birthrights level, self-esteem all destroyed, stripped off from all civilians worldwide, one way or the other, in any variations of Vatican created code of abuse law, tax mandate. Tax mandate is created only for what? To create, enforce and mandate, and then create poverty. Means it is almost like civilians will beg, oh please, 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 please USA government, please, 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 please do not create, enforce poverty for me. It will create Emotional torture means they will beg, but they will not listen to their begging, people's begging, and they will enforce it. Means that is the crime. Nobody have any birthright to create poverty for fellow man. There is no other crime to have to create that crime. And saddest is USA indeed created that crime and have to pay the price, right? USA nation cannot walk out free. I already filed lawsuit, right? They have to sit down and pay the price, pay the medical compensation. Can President Trump create new brain, new heart for all the people worldwide? No, right? Yes, I am going to get civil justice for all total population for fallen in trap of Vatican scandal in 6666, mark of the beast process mode of code of abuse law, tax mandate, and mandated and enforced to live with emotional torture. And because USA Republican government's Satan only created federal tax mandate, poverty mandate, tax and all this, of a toxin to be injected to the human population with that 666 mark of the beast is proved. And USA Republican government is a Satan is also proved. When I'm saying Satan means they are all faces of Pope Francis. Right? Republicans are, they must be the highest shameful population in the whole entire earth. Right? They should be immediately transitioned as a Democrats immediately. Because the more truth I'm going to reveal, they are going to faint and pass out. They will not forever ever in a dream to say that they are Republican means that is how the crime is. Right? Will any fool be telling, oh, proud, oh, I am Republican, when Republican is a Satan, is identified and proved? Right? And error of Department of Justice is proved, error of all the lawmakers is proved. So, divorce process for any available USA Republican government created COVID-19 marriage types, populations should be annulled, dissolution of invalid, disqualified marriage. For Satan USA, Republican government only created all the hell marriage types for tax mandate, for poverty mandate. So, at least by providing the annul, they are providing a pathway, healthy environment, medical standards, ethical standards of pathway for the population to take next step, right? When they do not want to get into the whatever the relationship they were in, they should have the birthright to be annulled and move on forward. Why? Who gave that authority to provide roadblocks for the civilians to choose their own personal life matters? Okay, if otherwise can they create new brain or heart, then that is different, right? Okay, Republican governments can say, we will always create hell for mankind and we are very proudest on doing that. And on the other end, we can also create brain, heart, and we can give to the humans who are getting tortured. Means then that is at least will help the civilians. But reality is what? Nobody can create new heart, nobody can create new brain. We have to live with it, deal with it, die with it. Right? And there is emotions there is feelings there, and there memories also there. And we do not have the luxury to erase, to update and whatever. We have to just deal with it, and how tough as it is. Does Republican government have any sense, common sense? Just because they are highly paid, salaried, they do not have to worry about the monthly expenses. How foolish way they destroyed every innocent population's lifestyle. A civilian should get all the national benefits free, 100% free, regardless he is employed or not, regardless he is married or not, regardless he is divorced or not, regardless of widows or not, regardless of foster parents or not. See, they are not dealing with their money. Welfare bank, people are so selfish and cunning, they are thinking that they are the owner, they are the god of the money. No, it is not that. That do not even belong to them. That means whatever dollar in any treasury, Federal Reserve belongs to whom? Me. I am that I am. Right? I am the true owner means only I can step in and guide how to provide all the welfare services. So they have to pay the price. Where will the DCF will go have their face? When they provided all the wrongful services, naming it as welfare when it is not even welfare. Absolutely wrong, absolutely crime. Out of 7.9 plus billions of humans, total male population are innocent always, total female population are double innocent always, and that is why in true Christianity alone, biological moms alone have the highest impartial eligibility to have the sole custody of the child, according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. So Republican government, being a very Republica mode, right, very traditional values mode, very Christian mode, they always sing only Christian gospel, this, that, right? They should have known that biological moms must only get the sole child custody in the divorce processing. Why they never knew that? That is $1 trillion error, right? And there is no other crime to separate biological moms from children, according to the true Christianity in the Holy Bible. So they all got the curse. I will only say run, fall down in knees, pray to God. Please ask forgiveness from God means, I don't know whether God will forgive all the Republican government, including President Trump and even the Democrat side, even. Because the crime is so deadly. President Joe Biden must resign immediately for fatal negligence, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Civil Chief, Vatican Leader, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations. I become the Supreme Chief Judge and Supreme Chief Compliance Finance Law Judge, and I become the Supreme Global Medical Relief, Poverty Relief Medical Director for all nations to lead Center for Disease Control, World Health Organizations, etc. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. So can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent and popular Pope Francis, Queen of England, and this Republica made to look holy Republica, Holy Highness, they are the guards of USA, but they are the one who are creating hell after hell after hell in the name of Republic. That is crime. That is absolutely crime. And there needs to be a healthy discipline to be provided. And I'm slapping on all the Republican government admin population, count by count, starting with President Trump, Vice President Pence, then Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell. All are getting slapped by me only, the wisest women in the earth. So either the USA Republican government should say knows what is federal tax mandate, which creates a mandated poverty for fellow mankind for total population worldwide, or Republican government should say no, we have never even heard about the word poverty. Oh, is there a word called poverty in the United States of America? Oh, we are so holy, you know. These Republicans are very holy, white skin, very perfect humans, and we are so godly, we are so very pure. We always sing only Christian songs like that. We always have only Christian names. Oh, is there a poverty in the United States? Oh, that is new to us. We have never heard about that word at all. This is what, either they have to say they know what is poverty, or they have to say only this. Either ways, we are winning the case by case, count by count, and I'm throwing all the government population inside the jail. If we are in the same page, I'm just throwing out all the government who destroyed the national operations with fatal negligence in the jail. First be in the jail. Let me start the job. Then I will bail out. Be in the jail means they have to know there will be a discipline provided when the government are providing wrongful operations. They just cannot proudly create poverty after poverty after poverty. No. So either way, we won the case. So can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, USA Republican government, absolute monarchs, they only destroyed everything. They even destroyed the brains of innocent Republican population. And I am only going to even get medical compensation for all the super foolish Republican government as well. Right? Can you all see? Can you all see the damages done? Without fixing this, the national government should not even dare to operate. No. There is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce tax mandate, COVID-19 poverty mandate to fellow mankind, stripping of birthrights and self-esteem of the civilians, and to mandate and enforce male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by a Vatican Code of Abuse Law scandal, tax mandate, and plain inflicted on human brain themselves. So you all know how nightclubs, night strip clubs, and the prostitution facility, pornography, sex workers, sex slaves, human trafficking, right? All these created because of what? They have been exploited out of poverty. And here they want to sell their body for unhealthy sex operations. And because of that results in orphans. And out of those, they are enjoying to eat the tax dollars, those evil satans, Pope Francis and Queen of England. And the deadliest crime for USA is they just allowed wild and endangered species to allow to live free. Oh, there is no other crime beyond that crime. Out of crime list, crime 1, crime 2, crime 3 of the highest priority list, there is no other crime to allow a wild endangered species, absolute dangerous to animal kingdom, human kingdom, and plant kingdom, to allow free. Why they never got that education at the first place? So, in disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So, for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerves mode, it is absolute monarchs, Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So, I, Vedapriya, proved Vatican Jesuit leader, USA Republica government, Satan, Antichrist, created singles mandated for tax mandate COVID-19 666 mark as the beast model. So, USA Republica government must resign now, must be dissolved immediately in less than 1 second. That means there will be no more Republican government, period. Otherwise, that is what, there is no otherwise more. No. There's no other alternative solution I can provide, my dear fellow mankind, for the Republican government, other than get dissolved immediately. Do not be Republican. Get transition to be Democrat if any of you all want to be in the government operations. Do it now, it's now or never mode. Right? Because the crime is so deadliest. Absolutely crime so deadliest. They cannot even excuse. They lost to apologize to any of the population. That means the Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, he lost the eligibility to apologize to the population for the hell he created. And he created deadliest hell, my dear fellow mankind. I am going to prove. I am the proof. Got it? You all should need to believe me blindest. You know what? The Republican GOP leader never fears for everybody, but he fears only for me, and he has already fallen down in knees before me. Meaning, I have all the proof of the scandal he provided. He cannot escape. No, he cannot. He just cannot. So I want to convey, I, Vedapriya, eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th of 2021. It can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion salary using direct deposit, can help me to take care of my basic essentials. And I am only asking rightful salary. It is the cheapest salary I am asking for displaying all the crimes. Each crime alone is a standalone, is $1 trillion worth of a scandal. Right? This $1 billion paying me a tax-free is just a peanut for them, or a mustard size for the United States of America. And this is only one part of the salary. They have to pay a lot more of salary to me. I already educated. Why and how? So use the Republican government, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created tax mandate to enforce poverty for fellow mankind, and that is a crime. So civil justice as of today, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, is USA Republican government should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free 250,000 per annum, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Judge, Supreme Chief Family Judge, Supreme Chief Finance Compliance Law Judge, and all the judge for all the types to guide the entire justice world and to guide the medical services. I have to be the medical director for all nations. Then I am the Vedapriya, the native Indian tribe, true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, the true owner of USA, must should become interim leader of USA. And Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. And USA government must should pay tax-free salary of $1 billion for eradicated COVID-19 plague faster than any robo and saved the entire human kingdom and guided all of them to walk in the wisdom ways and proved USA Republica government's Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in earth. Right? Can you all see how the Republican government population, though innocent, is found in my book of civil law? They got all the curses of Vatican just because they are working for Pope Francis. So whatever predicted in the Holy Bible is happening now. So civil justice wins always is wisdom. I am that I am born to save the world. Okay, thank you all for your time. Bye for now.